car here. Oh my god. Pull over, pull over, pull over. Yell at this multiple cars. He's quickly. What?
Jesus Christ! Are you kidding me? Holy sh**.
What was that?
I just got hit. I did. I just got hit.
USB, please say a command.
doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I know. You're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Pull over, see if he's okay. Yeah.
All of a sudden, he had way more capabilities than normal or something.
Wow.
Right. Wow, that was exciting. Jiffy Pop.
Yeah, I did. I do. Get this.
What the?
Or a small elephant.
Okay.
It depends on the type of elephant, if you want to be pedantic, which I know you've got very much love.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.